Welcome to another First Take Challenge. That's where we film a movie using only the first and only take. So any missed lines or messed up scenes will be in here. It's all unscripted and probably will go horribly wrong, but we hope you enjoy.
I was gonna say I am taller.
Okay, no, this is, wait, we said first takes! Wait, no, okay, that's in. We have to leave it. Okay, that's the first shot. Okay, next shot. Okay.
Hey, Hermione, did you hear that it's Snape's birthday today?
Oh, really? Is it?
Yeah, why are you talking like that?
I don't know.
Let's just go inside.
All right.
You know, we're not even friends with Snape, but maybe we should throw him a birthday party.
You're right. We should, and we should invite Draco.
Why him?
Because he's hot.
But Hermione, you know I can be hot too.
Well, I'd like to see you try. Oh.
He's dead!
Today we're going to try and make a potion. But this potion's a special type of potion, and that this type of potion makes it so you can't grow hair anymore. So you guys gotta try putting that together, okay? Good. I sound southern.
That's what you say's voice. We're going with that? Okay, fine.
No one comes to my class anymore. Even more southern now.
You should have told me you can't do a Snape voice. He's not even trying.
Sorry.
Hey, Snape.
I'm sorry. What is it?
Happy birthday! I want to give you a happy birthday spell if you don't mind.
Oh, thank you. That's real kind. Can you come show it to me?
I was looking through, studying some spells, and I think this one looked cool. It's called Armageddon. Happy birthday!
It's really too bad that no one thinks about my birthday. My birthday's important to me, but no one ever gives me any presents. Draco gave me his wand, but I snapped it in half. I regret it. A whole lot. It makes me cry. If only I could think of something to do on my birthday that wouldn't make me so sad. Maybe I could take a walk.
Why is the hall so empty? No one's here.
Hey. Listen, Snake, or whatever.
It's
We want to
Snape.
throw you a party.
Why would you want to do that? Is this some sort of prank?
Because
No.
you're cool. You're the best.
No. I don't believe you one bit.
How are we going to get him to believe us that we really want to throw him a party?
Oh, well, I've been thinking. I'm going to invite him on his favorite thing in the world.
What's that?
A picnic with all of his favorite treats, and I'll make him special potions to drink. What?
What's wrong with your voice today, Hermione?
Oh, just a potion I had.
But where are we going to have the picnic?
I think I'll find ourselves a nice posh place to set up outside.
Why don't we look for one together?
Sure, I don't mind that at all.
This place looks great.
In
Great
the
place for a picnic.
The bathroom?
No, below the bathroom.
Oh.
The basements. Is this the right bathroom? Is this the one with the entrance? How about here? 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 How about here?
Well, Harry,
What?
I don't think any of those places are good enough for our Snake.
Why is that?
I don't know, he just deserves better.
Then where should we go?
I wonder if Lucius would like to have tea. But I don't know, I couldn't try. But no, I broke his son's wand. He's gonna be real mad at me, so I probably shouldn't do that. I guess I can go ask McGonagall if she wants to hang out. Suppose. What? She's not here. She's not here.
Oh my gosh.
She left. I'm alone and sad. It's sad. No friends. I'm hearing voices. I want to quit. Is this scene done?
Snake!
We want to tell you something!
We found the perfect place!
What are you talking about?
The perfect place for your birthday party. Watch, they will lead us. The birds will lead us.
Come on, Snake, let's get going before it gets too late!
Are they serious? They have a surprise birthday party? I guess I could try to give them a chance.
I don't understand anything you just said.
I'll go to their birthday party.
Gee, Harry, I'm so excited for Snake to come up here.
Me too. He'll be here any moment. I'm
I
sure he'll
can't
love it.
Wait!
It'll be the best.
Hey kids,
Hey, Snape.
is this where you wanted to have your picnic?
Yeah, isn't it great? It's
Isn't
really
it?
pretty.
Isn't it just
super excited.
marvelous?
Yeah, it sounds like
Oh, I
fun.
know.
I haven't had a
love it.
birthday party in about 30 years.
How old are you?
Oh, well, that's a... If you need to know, I'm 68.
Ah!
Wait,
It's not
three.
possible! It's not possible!
What?
You look at least 72.
Oh,
You look young.
so, whose idea was it to have this party?
It was my idea. Hermione didn't even know it was your birthday.
Well,
wow.
No.
You didn't know!
No, I said let's throw him a party, and you were like, no, why? He's ugly and old.
What? You said that?
This was my idea. It was all mine.
He's lying. It was
I knew.
me.
I knew I didn't have any friends.
You
Should've
have.
known better.
Stop!
The only way we can solve this is the way we solve everything in this school.
What's that?
The only way you guys could solve this is to solve it the only way we do it in this school.
What's that?
Trial by combat. Trial by combat.
72.
Oh,
You look young.
Cut.
thank you.
Wait, you look old. That's why.
You look young. Okay,